फ्रेजल वर्ब एंड मीनिंग बोलता हूँ मैं सिर्फ आपको, ठीक है. Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Sharma and today I am going to give you the list of phrasal verb with their meaning. ठीक है. Abide by, to accept or follow a decision or rule. Account for, to explain. Ache for, want something or someone a lot. Act on, to take action because of something like information received. Act on, affect. Act out, perform something with actions and gestures. Act out, express an emotion in your behavior. Act up, behave badly or strangely. Act upon, to take action because of something like information received. Act upon, affect. Add on, include in a calculation. Add up, to make a mathematical total. Add up, be a satisfactory explanation for something. Add up to, have a certain result. Add up to, come to a certain amount or figure. Agree with, affect, usually used in the negative to show that something has had a negative effect, especially it is is especially it makes you feel bad. Aim at, to target. Aim at, intend to achieve. Allow for, include something in a plan or calculation. Allow of, make possible, permit. Angle for, try to get something indirectly by hinting or suggesting. Angle for, try to get something indirectly by hinting or suggesting. Answer, to reply rudely to someone in authority. Answer back, to reply rudely someone in authority. Answer for, be held responsible for a problem. Answer for, speak on behalf of someone or from some knowing them. Argue down, beat someone in a debate, discussion or argument. Argue down, persuade someone to drop the price of something they are selling. Argue down, try to persuade people not to accept a proposition motion. Argue out, argue about a problem to find a solution. Ask about, ask how someone is doing, especially professionally and in terms of health. Ask after, inquire about someone's health, about how life is going. Ask around, ask a number of people for information of help. Ask around, invite someone. Ask for, to provoke a negative reaction. Ask for, request to have or be given. Ask in, to invite somebody into your house. Ask out, to invite someone for a date. Ask over, invite. Ask around, invite someone. Auction off, sell something in an auction. Back away, retreat or go backwards. Back down, retract or withdraw your position or proposal in an argument. Back into, enter a parking area in a reverse gear. Back off, retreat. Back out, fail to keep an arrangement or promise. Back out of, fail to keep an agreement, arrangement. Back out of, exit a parking area in a reverse gear. Back up, make a copy of computer data. Back up, support. Back up, drive a vehicle backwards. Back out, criticize. Bail out, save and rescue. Bail out, remove water from something that is flooded. Bail out, jump out of a plane because it is going to crash. Bail out of, pay a bond to release someone from jail. Bail out on, stop supporting someone when they are in trouble. Bail up, talk to someone and delay them. Bail up, rob someone at gunpoint. Ball up, confuse or makes things complicated. Ball up, roll or form into a round shape. Balls up, spoil, ruin. Bang about, move in a place making a lot of noise. Bang around, move in a place making a lot of noise. Bang on, talk at great length. Bang on about, keep talking about something. Bang out, play a musical instrument loudly. Bang up, put someone in prison. Bang up, damage badly. Bank on, count or rely on. Bargain down, persuade someone to drop the price of something they are selling. Bargain for, expect something to happen, usually negative. Bargain on, expect something to happen, usually negative. Barge in, enter a place and interrupt. Barge into, enter a place and interrupt people rudely. Bash out, mistreat physically. Bash in, break, damage or injure by hitting. Bash out, write something quickly without much preparation. Bash out, bash up, break, damage or hurt by hitting. Ball out, scold or shout at someone. Ball out, scold. Ball out, sing or shout unpleasantly, loudly. Be after, try to find or get. Be along, arrive, be away, be elsewhere on a holiday, etc. Be cut out for, be suitable, have the necessary qualities. Be cut up, be upset, be down, be depressed, be down, be reduced or less, be down on, have negative feelings towards someone, be down with, be ill, be fed up, be bored, upset or sick of something, be in, be at home or at work, be in, be submitted, arrive, be in on, be involved in, be not on, be unacceptable, be off, be bad, of food, be off, depart, leave, be on, be functioning of machines, be on, take place, be on, take medication or drugs, especially where when they affect the person loudly, be on, be at the top of one's game, performing very well, be on about, mean, try to say, be on to pursue, be aware of someone's true nature, be out, be absent from a place, be out of, have no more left, be out to attempt, be snowed under, have too much work, be taken aback, be shocked or surprised, be taken with, be like something, be up, be out of bed, be up, have increased or risen, be up when the time or for something finishes or expires, be up for, be enthusiastic about an upcoming event, be up to, be good enough, be up to doing something naughty or wrong, bear down on, move towards, bear on, influence affect, bear out, confirm that something is correct, bear up, resist pressure, bear up under, cope with something difficult or stressful, bear with, be patient, beat down, strong sunshine, beat down, get someone to lower the price of something, beat out, narrowly win in competition, beat up, attack violently, beaver away, work hard, beaver away at, work hard doing something, be bed down, sleep somewhere less comfortable than normal, bed down, become some established or successful over time, bed out, move a plant outside, beef up, make something stronger or more solid, belong to, be a member, belong to, be connected to a time, place, belief, or thing, etc. Belong with, be in correct or appropriate location with other items, belt out, sing something loudly, belt up, be quiet, belt up, fasten your seat belt, bend down, lower the top half of your body, bend over, lower the top part of your body, bend over backwards, do a lot to try to help or please someone, big up, exaggerate and the importance, big up, increase the size of muscles by exercise, bitch up, spoil or ruin something, black out, fall unconscious, black out, lose sight, blank out, censor text so that words cannot be read, blank out, have a temporary memory failure, blare out, a loud sound or music, blast off, leave the ground, spaceship or rocket, blaze, blast off, leave the ground, spaceship or rocket, blaze away, fire a gun repeatedly, bleed out, cause sufficient blood loss to result in death, bliss out, be extremely relaxed and happy, block in, park a car and obstruct another car, block in, shade or fill it, block off, obstruct an exit to prevent people from leaving, block out, stop light from entering or leaving, block out, try not think about or feel something because it is upsetting or painful, block up, fill a space so that nothing can pass, block up, blow away, kill, blow away, blow away, beat rivals or competitors by a large margin, blow away, impress greatly, blow away, when the wind moves something from a place, blow down, when the wind forces something to fall, blow in, arrive sometimes suddenly or unexpectedly, blow off, not keep an appointment, blow off, ignore, not do something, blow off, expel gas from the anus, blow out, extinguish candles, matches, blow out, defeats decisively, blow over, when a scandal gets forgotten, blow up, explode, blow up, inflate, blow up, enlarge, blow up, the beginning of a storm, blow up, lose your temper, become angry, blurt out, say something quickly without thinking, especially if you shouldn't, board out, arrange for pets to stay somewhere while you are away, board up, cover windows or do doors with wood, metal, bog down, metal or etc., bog down, slow, make progress, bog in, eat enthusiastically, bog into, eat something enthusiastically, bog off, get lost, boil down, simplify, reduce to the essentials, boil down to, amount to, boil over when a hot liquid spills out of a container, boil over when people lose their tempers and things get nasty, boil up, feel a negative emotion strongly, boil up, cook or heat something to boiling point, bolster, give support, reinforce, strengthen, bone up, study hard for a reason, bone upon, study hard for a goal or reason, book in, make a reservation in advance, book in, check in at a hotel, book into, make a reservation in advance, book into, check in at a hotel, book out, leave a place in a hurry, book up, reserve, boot up, start a computer, border on, be located next to a place, border on, be very nearly something, boss about, use excessive authority to control people, boss around, use excessive authority to control people, botch up, ruin or spoil something, bottle away, store up, bottle out, lack courage to do something, bottle up, not express your feelings, bottom up, pass the lowest point and start rising, bounce into, force someone, bounce back, recover, bounce off, test ideas, bowl out, hit someone's wicket in cricket with the ball, bowl over, surprise someone gently, greatly, bowl over, knock someone to the ground, box in, prevent something from moving, especially vehicles, box up, pack things in boxes to move them, brace up, feel more confident or optimistic about something, branch out, move into a different area of business. Thank you very much. ये देखो, अब मैंने आपके सामने ये सारी की सारी फ्रेजल वर्ब पढ़ी विद मीनिंग। तो इन फ्रेजल वर्ब को बेटा सिर्फ और सिर्फ मीनिंग लर्न करके ही हम लोग कमांड बना सकते हैं और उनको अपने सेंटेंस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं बेटा। तो फ्रेजल वर्ब दे रखी है, मीनिंग दे रखा है और उसका एग्जाम्पल दे रखा है। आपको इनको बिल्कुल लर्न करना ही करना है बेटा, आपको इनको